Are you a realtor tired of lackluster showings? The TidyTex effect is here to turn your listings into buyer-ready masterpieces. Imagine walking into a home that sparkles, where every corner gleams, and potential buyers envision their lives within those walls. Our veteran-owned cleaning service, based in San Antonio, specializes in making homes shine just in time for showings. We understand that first impressions are everything. When properties shine, they sell faster. With our quick turnaround times, we ensure your listings are ready for open houses and buyer visits without the stress. Plus, we give them the detailed treatment they deserve, focusing on those special touches that make all the difference. Want a quick tip? For little to no cost, realtors can enhance a home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels welcoming and highlights the home's best features. Ready to elevate your listings? Contact us today and discover the TidyTex effect for yourself. Check the video description for details on how to reach out, including our website, phone number, and email. Don't miss out on transforming your properties into showstoppers.